Avanti destinations.
Connects the components.
Far customised.
International travel.
Utilising our technology.
And educated staff.
Working exclusively.
With travel advisors.
We deliver
a unique vacation
experience to
individuals and groups. Oh, hi. Welcome to Avanti Destinations Manchester. Come on in. At Avanti Destinations Manchester, we've developed a team of top sales professionals to really support you and your travel agents. Avanti Destinations Manchester is really delivering on the culture that we expect from our Avanti Destinations colleagues, and we're here to give you the excellent service that you deserve.
Avanti Destinations is always looking to grow its business, but more importantly, we're looking to improve the service as it relates to our travel advisor partners and also to their customers when they're in the 61 countries that we sell worldwide. The Avanti Portland office opens at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so by opening the call centre in Manchester, we can now service all their calls starting from 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.